very warm wishes to our viewers. Welcome to the show Illuminati, lighting your way to success. This is your host Ansaga Venkateshwar.
And I'm Abhigyan.
Today we have with us one of the most stylish sir of electrical department, Mr. Pranjal Gupta sir.
Oh,
Welcome to the show, sir.
thank you.
So, we just want to know your story of success and everything through this talk show. So, shall we get started?
Yes, I guess.
What kind of cultural and linguistic changes you have observed from your childhood?
uh, Not much, I think. Cultural changes, it's the same culture. I was brought up in MP and now we are studying in Bihar, so there are some cultural changes. We celebrated Diwali very auspiciously, and now here uh, the Chhat is very important festival.
Have you moved out from your childhood from place to place, transferring during education and anything?
No, I have only transferred from two places. First, I was in Jalgaon, Maharashtra,
Huh?
till I was in class 6th, and then we moved to Bhopal till class 12th, and then now
Okay.
here.
That's cool. So Maharashtra, Bhopal, Bihar, all in a line states you have covered in your
Yes.
lifetime.
Okay, sir. Next question. Live life king size is your biggest dream. Why?
Yes. Well,
मतलब
live
ये तो सबका होता है सर, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा
हाँ फिर भी why?
क्यों?
Especially यही ड्रीम क्यों? कुछ लोगों को होता है मुझे पायलट बनना है, मुझे ये बनना है, बट ये live
Because-
life like a king.
Because I have seen enough movies, so that's what I think. And I am always attracted to new things and to try new things and to travel and to enjoy different kinds of things. You want to have money, so that's why if you have money, you can enjoy all those things. That's why I want to live life king size, and that's what all it means.
What made you drift away from biology to maths? I mean, we know that you wanted to become a doctor, but why did you come to engineering?
Well, I think at the time I reached class 10th and 12th, I already understood that what my strengths were, and uh, and I thought that I couldn't handle both bio and maths together. It will be more hectic for me. And as far as I was good at math, so that's why I thought, uh, why uh, why not focus yourself towards only one stream and not waver in that path. So that's why I think
So you want to focus your strength on one part.
yes. So that's why. And I also thought that bio was tough for me. I couldn't memorize
थोड़ा
all those.
रटना पड़ता है, सब बहुत रटना
हाँ,
पड़ता
बहुत
है.
रटना पड़ता था. So I couldn't do that. And in math,
मैं तो so
always
easy, बस दिमाग
everything.
लगाना है.
Sir, what are the hobbies you like?
Hobbies, as I have mentioned, I like watching movies. I like traveling.
What kind of movies, sir?
Hollywood.
सर एक बात बताइए,
Hollywood, all kinds of Hollywood movies I like.
आपने
May it be romantic movies, sci-fi, story based. I like all kinds.
Any
of
favorite movie, sir?
movies. Well, I have many favorite movies in every genre.
Okay.
So you have to specify the genre first.
Okay,
In
drama.
which, huh?
ड्रामा.
In drama, drama I have seen Still Alice.
Okay.
Still Alice. I like. Uh, Julianne Moore won the Oscar for it, and
Yes,
in
फैंटेसी में सर
fantasy, fantasy I like the whole Marvel
Okay.
Marvel series.
अच्छा,
May it
Marvel
be Thor,
series.
Iron Man, Avengers.
So
I
you are awaiting for Avengers Age of Ultron.
Yes, I am waiting for it.
So one thing what you had learned from movies especially. Movies से आपने क्या एक चीज सीखे थे?
मतलब कोई
That
movies
all
जो-
dreams are possible. There is no limit to your imagination. You can't stop your imagination. If you want to achieve something, you must aspire big. So that's what I learned. If you want to achieve big, you should aspire big, and there are no limits to your dreams.
Creativity.
Only you
dreams.
have to work in a smart way for it. That's
If
all.
you can dream it, you can do it.
Yes.
In what perspective was your college experience educating?
Apart from studies, सब लोग पढ़ने आते हैं, ठीक है, तो पढ़ा तो सबने अपने अपने ब्रांच का. देन आई थिंक in in type of life experience you will learn a lot, because until class 12th your parents made decisions for you, and for the first time when you come in college you make decisions for yourself, and you are responsible yourself for your choices. So that's what educates you. It teaches you many things. It teaches you how to make friends, and how to deal with people, and how to judge someone's character. It teaches you many things. So that's what I find educating.
So you
Because
have learned about your life, how to live life.
yes, and also you also develop a perspective of yourself, of the life. Because till now everyone tells you what to do. You don't have
Any idea?
मतलब अभी तक सब बोलते हैं कि ऐसा करो, अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाना ज़्यादा. यहाँ पे आके अपना दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है.
बहुत लगा
ठीक है.
है.
So that's what I think.
Yeah.
Sir, according to you, what is a good pointer? Good pointer क्या है आपके लिए, कितना होना चाहिए?
गुड पॉइंटर का डेफिनेशन
Okay,
क्या है?
no, I get the question. Good pointer. 8 plus, I think it's a good pointer, because the one thing in pointer is that it helps you in your placements. Because when companies come, all the companies do not take a screening test. They directly shortlist you from your pointer, and it's an advantage if you have a good pointer. And I am not saying that if someone doesn't have a good pointer, he will not be placed, or he will get a job in a less reputed company, but it will help in shortlisting. Because as in core branches, many companies come and they directly shortlist from
Top
on the
20,
pointer
top
basis,
30,
top
हाँ.
20, top 30, top 15. So in that way the pointer is really useful, and I think that that's not one of my strong suits till now. uh, but pointer is necessary, I think.
Pointer is necessary. This gives some advantage in the interviews. What was your toughest interview till date that gave you success?
Well, as far as I think, one interview in which I was placed, I think that that was my toughest interview, because in that interview I was trying hard enough to convince the HR. So that's what I found the most challenging thing, to convince another person that you are good enough for something. and not in that, in every interview you have to convince the interviewer that you are good enough for something. If he is offering you something, then you should present yourself such that
That you are able to give
yes,
what
yes,
he
yes,
wants.
yes.
And what was that company you were placed at?
I was placed in Jindal Stainless Limited.
Okay, how was the whole process of the interview, like starting to the end? How many
Uh,
rounds, everything? What are the
Well, the first round was simple, the shortlisting. Then I appeared for the written examination. Then there was a technical interview, then HR interview.
टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू में क्या क्या पूछते हैं सर?
Well, not much. Well, your interview depends wholly on you, and you can choose where you want to move your interview towards. If you are not strong towards subjects, then tell them I have done this project and this training, etc., etc., and then turn the whole interview on
On our favorite.
on your project or on your training, or in which you find yourself comfortable in. That if you think that if you have done your training अच्छे से की है ट्रेनिंग, अगर फिर ट्रेनिंग के बारे में बताओ. और अगर लगता है कि मेरा प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छा था, मैंने अपने प्रोजेक्ट पे बहुत मेहनत किया, तो फिर प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में
डायरेक्शन दे दो एचआर को कि
यस यस यस
सर गिवन अ चांस व्हाई वुड यू वांट टू मीट योर ग्रैंडपा
well first of all I had a very small time with him. He died when I was very young, maybe in class 6th and 7th, and I was in a nuclear family. Uh, we didn't have a joint family, so we used to visit in every summer breaks. We used to have, and we played whole day with our grandfather. And he was a very wise man, down to earth, and everyone loved him around our colony, etc. And I think that if I had chance to meet one person, I would like to meet my grandfather and live some of those
Memories
days.
again.
Yes.
What made you create a passion for photography?
I don't have a passion
You
for
have an
photo.
interest or passion, right? Interest in photography. You wanted to
Oh,
become
oh
a
yes,
travel photographer.
yes. Well, I want to visit new places, and as you visit new places, I want to capture those moments so
Acha.
that whenever I am not there, I can live those moments just for a bit
Those
again.
memories, yeah.
Yes. So it's nice to make memories, and so that's why I wanted to travel all places, and it's not possible to be there. मतलब अपना वो एक से ज़्यादा बार वहाँ जाना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो
Yes, yes.
इसीलिए कुछ मेमोरीज वहाँ की
Yes,
कैप्चर कर लें भाई.
So, what's your comfortable camera type? Which camera you feel comfortable with?
I feel comfortable in every camera. I am not a professional. I don't even have a DSLR. I am comfortable in every camera, so don't worry about that.
Sir, theory and practicals are two sides of a coin.
Yes.
So, how do you try to strike a balance between both of them
In your job.
Well, I think uh, till now I have completed my BTech, and what I have learned till now, I want to experience it in a practical life. That how a corporate culture works, and what are the responsibilities of an engineer, and up to what extent the workload is given, and all those things, because we are only told that these is electrical machine control system. So now I want to apply that much knowledge in what I have learned in the real field of work. So that's what.
सर बीइंग फ्रॉम अ कोर ब्रांच सर ट्रेनिंग और इंटर्नशिप के बारे में कुछ बताइए सर मतलब उनके रोल के बारे में
Training or internship, as far as our college go, there is not much scope, but it's always nice uh, to be having an internship from a good firm, uh, but as such matters, ट्रेनिंग ट्रेनिंग में सिर्फ तुम ऑब्जर्व करने जाते हो, ठीक है, क्योंकि सब कुछ पढ़ा हुआ तो होता नहीं है, तो जाओ और सिर्फ देखो, उनसे पूछो, तुम जिस भी फॉर्म में जा रहे हो, अगर वो कुछ प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह देते हैं तो प्रोजेक्ट करो. बाकी एज सच आई डोंट थिंक इट मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस, बट up to some extent training is important because it will help you in your job interviews.
And edge data.
Yes, because if you think that you are not good enough in your technicals, or you don't have any strong subjects, then then you have something to tell about in your interview. So that's what I think.
सर नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज रैपिड फायर
Okay.
ओके सर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेस्ट पिक्चरस्क्यू लोकेशन यू हैव एवर बीन और बेस्ट लोकेशन फोटोग्राफी लोकेशन
Pachmani.
Which specialization you would go if you were a doctor?
uh, Neurosurgery.
Okay, वहाँ भी electrical है sir.
सर वाइल्डेस्ट थॉट दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड इफ देयर वर नो रूल्स
कैमरा पे नहीं बता सकता.
Your summer training was done at.
Huh?
Your summer training was done at
I did my summer training at BHEL Bhopal.
BH. Okay.
Sir, if given a chance, who would you meet? Bear Grylls or Narendra Modi?
both.
अरे सर सिर्फ एक ही से मिलना है, एक ही चांस में किससे
Well,
मिलेंगे?
then Bear Grill,
Why sir?
because I like traveling, going places,
या वो
And-
मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड.
and who a man who has done more adventurous things than Bear Grill.
He's the god of adventure.
How important is Pointer in electrical engineering branch?
Considerably important, because as you already know the reason. The main reason is
ऑडियंस को पता नहीं है ना सर.
the main reason is to be placed in a good company, because all the companies that come in electrical engineering, they only shortlist according to your pointer. So that's what
One thing you like the most about your birthplace, Gwalior?
the Gwalior Fort.
What is the most social evil that affects you the most in today's society?
Well, I think the view of society towards many taboos like sex, rape, homosexuality, and the major problem that I see is that if we uh, if we get a girl and then and we know that she is being she has been raped, and we see that her life is ruined. Why do we think like that? Is she like a damaged good to all? If someone suffers an accident, do we stop caring for them? And I think those are survivors, and we should give respect to the survivors. And it's the fault of society that we call that girl helpless, and we say that her life is ruined. What has been ruined? Has she been incapacitated in some sort of that? So that's what I think, that
The attitude of
The-
society towards.
But
yes,
इस
the
attitude
attitude of society must change towards some things.
इस एटीट्यूड
that's
को
all.
कैसे चेंज करेंगे?
Well, education. I think education is must, and there are two different things. Uh, being literate and being educated are entirely two different things. Being literate means only you have learned, and being educated, it means that you have your own way of thinking. So we should develop a healthy way of thinking. That's what I believe.
Any advice for our audience who are mostly juniors,
Well, advice.
especially for electrical engineering juniors?
सहानी सर का पेपर अच्छे से पढ़ना, बहुत बैक लगाते हैं. और बाकी ब्रांचेस के लिए तो मतलब यही है कि कॉलेज में एंजॉय करो, मस्ती करो, और पढ़ाई तो एक रात पहले भी हो जाती है.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
It was a treat talking to you.